starting with Fian. Could you tell us why you decided to participate in World Wellness Weekend and why you decided to become an ambassador for World Wellness Weekend?
I'm gonna speak in French, and Jean-Guy gonna translate for the audience, the French audience. So, okay. So
you speak English perfectly.
No, because I want to respect the French audience of Quebec, as the World Wellness Weekend of the province of Quebec. So, okay.
Perfect.
So, alors, pourquoi j'ai participé? En fait, c'est à cause de la pandémie aussi qui m'a beaucoup poussé à aller dans cette direction. Et je cherchais un outil pour attirer l'attention du gouvernement. Vas-y, Jean-Guy.
So Fian wanted to participate, especially during this pandemic, because she wanted to catch the attention of the government.
Voilà. Alors, le week-end mondial du bien-être, c'est pas juste un événement ponctuel, mais c'est aussi un mouvement de solidarité et de communauté.
World Wellness Weekend for her is not just an event in September, it's a movement throughout the year towards more solidarity and building a larger community.
Et donc, je me suis servi de l'outil du World Wellness Weekend pour recevoir le soutien de notre gouvernement. C'est comme ça que j'ai...
Interestingly enough, Fian used twice a French word that I haven't translated yet, but because she uses it twice, I'm going to translate it. She talks about World Wellness Weekend being a tool, not just an event or a movement, a tool in how she wanted to address the government. She felt maybe that as a spa owner, as a trainer, an educator, alone, how strong is her voice when actually joining a movement, being the ambassador in her province of Quebec, gave her maybe, raised the profile so that she could speak. And actually, she didn't meet just one minister; she met three. But I'm beyond translating. Fian, vas-y.
Justement, c'est ce que je voudrais amener, c'est que en tant que propriétaire de spa, en tant que professeur de formation en esthétique et en massage, et donc j'avais besoin de trouver un outil pour que la business continue et aussi comment j'allais faire ça. Donc, c'est grâce au World Wellness Weekend. Et alors, ce que j'ai fait, c'est que j'ai contacté l'Association des massothérapeutes du Québec et le ministre de la Santé.
So interestingly enough, because of the pandemic and because her spa was closed, because her activity as an educator and trainer was at a halt, she still wanted to work on her business because she could not work in her business. And therefore, World Wellness Weekend was a tool to leverage a way to speak with the Association Québécoise des Spas or the Association
de massothérapie.
The massotherapy. So the associations of massage therapists in Quebec as with a title and to approach the Minister of Health.
Voilà. Ce n'est pas seulement pour la business, mais aussi j'avais besoin d'être utile et de pouvoir aider dans la pandémie, de ne pas rester les mains vides sans rien faire.
So it wasn't just also to promote her business, she also wanted to serve, to be useful, to help not just her business, but also others. She wanted to take a leading role in it.
Voilà.
Who, if not her, who?
Alors, pour y arriver, donc, on s'est appuyé sur les services de massage et c'est comme ça qu'on a eu les appuis nécessaires, l'aide nécessaire. C'est comme ça que les services de massage sont devenus des services essentiels. Voilà.
So she brought the conversation to the Minister of Health and she said, would you consider that what we do on a massage table as massage therapists is essential? Yes. Would you consider that those workers could be essential? Yes. Can you write it? Yes. Okay. But massage therapists in Quebec should be considered as essential workers. Done. Fian?
Yes, so I was on mute. Alors, on a eu l'appui pas seulement du ministre de la Santé, mais le ministre du Tourisme et aussi de l'innovation et du développement économique.
What is fantastic is that when Fian sent me the message saying that the Minister of Health had signed and was supporting, I said, that's fantastic. She said, that's not just it. Wait for it.
I don't.
Watch that space. And Erica? And she also got in touch with the Minister of Tourism and the Minister of Innovation for Economic Growth.
Super. Alors, j'ai pensé, si on peut le faire avec la massothérapie, avec les services de massothérapie, pourquoi pas les autres services de spa?
And she thought, if we can do it with massage therapy, can we also extend this notion of essential workers to the other services provided in a spa?
Voilà. Alors, en tant qu'esthéticienne également, mon objectif l'année prochaine, c'est d'amener les esthéticiennes aussi comme les travailleurs essentiels.
So her objective, because she's also a licensed esthetician, is also to campaign, lobby, work her way up to bring the conversation that not just massage therapists should be essential workers in Quebec, but also estheticians.
Alors, je pense que je vais réussir.
And she thinks she will succeed because right now she ticked a few boxes, 3 actually.
Voilà. Alors, l'idée de continuer à fournir des services en créant différents événements, donc pas seulement l'événement du 18-19 septembre du World Wellness, mais des événements aussi le long de l'année, comme Jean-Guy a expliqué, c'est de rendre possible notre utilité en tant que travailleur essentiel.
One thing that she's excited about, and maybe I'll stop translating, Fian, and maybe we'll pass the mic back to Catherine and then to Sophie and others. But one thing very important that she said is that yes, World Wellness Weekend is an event in September. Yes, it's a movement the rest of the year. And actually, when I'll show you the website a little while, you will see that it's not the logo of the World Wellness Weekend singular. It's about wellness weekends, plural, because yes, there's one weekend where we're all together, and the rest of the year, there should be so many activities, events that you organize, retreats, staycations, getaways, classes, events, celebrations, to go into your respective spas along the weekend so that people have the habit then of including more wellness into their lives. Merci, Fian.
Alors, je vais conclure avec ça parce que je vais reprendre ce que tu as dit. Donc, notre force ici au Québec, c'est vraiment de travailler ensemble, comme ça. Et donc, ce que j'ai fait, c'est que j'ai monté des capsules d'interviews sous forme d'ateliers pour que les gens puissent se promouvoir et parler de leur passion. Et c'est comme ça que c'est devenu viral.
So, as you realize, when people start speaking French, they can't stop speaking. And when I said that's her conclusion, she said, but I have another conclusion. And we had a fantastic conversation with Pat yesterday that's going to lead to a podcast. And whenever he had a question, he had 2 questions. And whenever I wanted to have one answer, I had 2 answers. Same with Fian. So it's not just one conclusion you have with Fian that I just translated. It's a second conclusion. And the second conclusion, but that will be the second and last conclusion for now, I hope, it's that they're working like this in the province of Quebec, part of one country, which is Canada, and encouraging you also to join forces, to jump on the bandwagon so that all together on that weekend, we can promote what we do as a profession and also continue promoting, but also, if we can, lobbying, advocating so that cities, visitors bureau, chambers of commerces, mayors, ministers hear us out.
Yes, I absolutely agree. And thank you so much, Fian, for sharing that with us. I look forward to working with you, on these initiatives because, I love that you say comes up together for Quebec leading spas. We'd like to see this for the country. And to put Canada on the map as a wellness country. And so I look forward to talking to you about that. I applaud you for the achievement of getting the ear of various ministers in Quebec, which, we are on the same pathway and we'll do the same. So your proclamations is a fantastic achievement and I applaud you. And we also would like to see other service providers in spas get the same recognition. So World Wellness is definitely more than, an event, as Jean-Guy said. This is a movement, and it's a movement that I think is going to help facilitate what we're trying to achieve, and that is the essential idea of essential for our industry, for the businesses, so that we don't become neglected like we have during this pandemic. So I think that this is just such a fantastic way.